Hi, hello, good evening. This is Satish Master from Way to Success GSN Mysore. Today's episode is directly proportional to the technical field or the techies, we can say. The technology, what and all we are using today, is directly reflected through the contents of the day, that is nothing but the AI versus I. I refers to anybody. It may be a teacher, it may be a designer, it may be a student, or it may be a parent as well. Array, what is this? AI, artificial intelligence era, modern era, focusing on AI tools like Alpha, Meta, Beta, Gamma, Notebook LM, R, Gemini, ChatGPT, etc., etc. Many. Question here is whether the AI era avoiding or the erasing the community called teachers, which are living creatures in general. Many people are may feeling very much happy to get the answers once you upload or once you ask any question to the tool. But the major thing is why the AI is required. As usual, we know, of course, it's going to act as a dictionary which is going to provide the complete contents and the presentations, etc., etc. What are the questions you are going to ask? Those many questions will be answered through via AI tools. Undoubtedly, that is one side. In another way, whether AI replaces I, that means a teacher, student, no chance at all. Because AI can give an answer to your question, but when you are unable to understand that answer, you need a teacher. Very simple. All AI tools can be considered as a non-living materials only. Contents will be uploaded that going to present as per your requirement. But as a teacher, we are feeling very proud to say we are going to be with the student as well as a parent or in general with a learner emotionally. That is very, very important. Gamma or ChatGPT will not support you emotionally. ChatGPT is unable to motivate you. The ChatGPT is unable to give you the moral support. It is a missionary support, we can say. The missionary support is will be available as you apply on one question on a particular application. It's going to present in its own way. If you don't satisfied with the answer, you will ask the question in another way also. That's what the theme what we are doing nowadays. The presentations of the PPTs or any other videos creation, etc., etc., we can get as we want in a multiple angle. But the major theme here is being a teacher, I should be very much proud to say I am not upsetted or I am not disturbed because of AI tool, because AI provides the missionary support, but a true teacher, a living teacher will provide you the emotional support. That is a major message of the day, my dear friends and my dear teachers. Kindly, we have to update, undoubtedly, no doubt in that. As per the days goes, we have to update our level to the technical based things and all. But the major key here is we shall not get disturbed whether AI avoiding our or erasing our values, no chance at all. A student may get an answer as we said, but teacher, how to overcome this AI? That is very important. Name itself indicates it is the artificial intelligence. It is not a natural intelligence. I refers to teacher, as we said. A teacher is nothing but a natural intelligence, we can say. The natural intelligence versus artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence will not take over the natural intelligence as we believe. The content what we are going to present may not be perfect, but the support what we are going to provide to the students, that going to be a lifelong achievement. If everything is able by a machine only, how what is the value of the human beings, or what is the value of the living creatures? We created AI. AI is not created human beings. All our human beings are the creators of the AI tools, but we shall not afraid because of those materials what we are going to face in the upcoming days. We can use it to present our voice, we present our contents, but the natural things are different compared to the artificial things. The artificial intelligence tools are going to be a technical supportive one, but not the thought process supporters. The thought process which is going to generate within us will be a ultimate, and the energy what we are going to present in front of students naturally, that helps you a lot rather than a one ppt presentation or any other things. But we are not saying to ignore the ai required only to get the valuable or the quality learning, we can say. So AI plus teacher is equal to a smart learning. AI plus teacher is equal to smart learning. The learning process depends upon the missionary things as well as the status of the teacher mindset, we can say. So, my dear respected teachers and beloved parents as well as the student, kindly don't compare your teacher with the AI tool, because AI will not support you emotionally. I am repeating again, AI will not stand with you morally. AI will not motivate you regarding the same way. So, the teachers, what we are doing is going to be a lifelong bonding, we can say. I may get many things from a machine, but I cannot get a good bonding or cannot get a great relationship with a particular machine, because it is a non-living thing, as we know. So the creations, of course we are the creators, but AI shall not be misused. In what way it going to be misused? That is a major question to discuss today. I think many people are observing at Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or any other things and all. AI may mislead a particular individual regarding the way of thinking. How it is possible? What is this? Is there any way? Of course, the designing of a person can be changed means the character of a person can also change. At the same time, the way of utilization of the machines decides the quality of our personality as well. If you are using it for a positive things, no problem. If someone uses it for the negative things or as a harassment thing, then we have to call it as a negative only. Many cases are happening nowadays in the cybercrime also. So, in related to education, we have to talk. We are not interested about the unnecessary things what we are seeing in the society or in the social medias. So, in related to education, I versus AI is nothing but a teacher or an individual versus artificial intelligence. The intelligence, what and all available in the living creature, is going to be great always, because artificial intelligence is emerged just because of living creature like a teacher or a techie or a technology based person. Let us use in a positive way, and we have to stand for our natural intelligence rather than artificial intelligence. But you have to use, if you are unable to use the artificial intelligence, people will automatically call us as a not updated person. Very simple. We have to update ourselves and you have to utilize it in a positive way if it is required. There is a major message of the day: AI versus I stands to teacher in general. So AI plus teacher gives rise to a smart learning. That is the formula of the day. Kindly use AI in a good way, and don't ignore your intelligence just because of artificial intelligence. The AI cannot support you emotionally, AI cannot support you morally, AI cannot motivate you. One example: when you ask a question related to one particular subject, the answer may be a right or wrong. It's going to provide whether how to analyze that, how to understand that. For that sake, you may ask one more question. It will give you the complete theory, but the practical alliance or the practical implementation of the content is possible only through the living creatures. That is what we call the teachers. So let us stick to the natural intelligence more along with the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence required, undoubtedly it will provide you the content, but it will not stand with you for a longer time. How to get or how to update ourselves regarding the same, there is a question to be discussed or question to be analyzed in our mind. Let us use it in a good way. We shall not create any negative example. For that sake, we are conducted this today's session, that is AI versus I. Kindly subscribe the channel for the upcoming contents. Hereby we are signing out from the channel Way to Success GSN Mysore, hosted by Satish Master. Thank you so much.